guys? You guys are fishing for Darl's birthday?
Happy birthday, Darl.
Yeah, baby, I love you.
Happy birthday!
Hey.
So, how are you enjoying your first fishing experience?
Pretty awesome.
I got him, guys. Guys, I got him.
Oh, go, John!
There you go, boy!
Come on, Sarah.
Oh, man, he let go.
Oh,
What?
Guys, did you see him?
no.
Watch, he's right there. Right there. Watch. Look, look, look. See him?
Oh, I see him.
Stay right there.
See him? He's trying to go after the bait. There we go.
Get it, John.
Shit. Don't hook it.
John got some fish, we think.
You think on the beach?
Yeah.
I have to go in the water, John.
Alright, guys, we'll check back later. Say hi, Matty. You like fishing so far?
Yeah.
You're trying to catch a big fish?
Yeah, I tried.
Let me see you hold your fishing pole. Wow.